light right here. The lens is still on and everything. Yeah, you can see. Got my heat gun right here, and the way I'll do it is I pick it up and I heat along the edge, so you can see, like right here and towards the back. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this one apart and we'll get over to that housing. Alright, so here's how they turned out. Let's see. Have the zip tie right now, holding it down while it dries up. But let's see, got it all seamed back together. I already tested it and there's no issues. Now I'm just gonna go let it ahead and cure, and then I'll go ahead and put them back on. Got that one right over there. Alright, so here's the final product. Put the other one right over there. You can see it fit very well into the OEM housing. Got the tabs that I needed. And this is all just glue dried up. You can see the inside. Hold it better. Now we're gonna go install them and see what they work. Alright, as you guys can see now, I have them installed, and honestly it's just so much better. Like, they feel firm, like they're not going anywhere. But if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. I'll have more content coming up soon.